black pepper, Atlantic sea salt, dried thyme, fresh garlic, delicious grapes, and fresh rosemary. Alright, looks quite beautiful. Mashallah. The flavor is absolutely remarkable. Even the roasted garlic is really well. It has a very bold tone to it. Yeah, it's mellow. The meat is tender. Came apart real nice. And don't worry, it's not overly sweet like sugar. But with the stems and the grapes giving it a nice fruity kind of touch. It's fantastic. So you gotta try it.
Yes.
Putting grapes with the roast is quite nice. I wanted to try it with lamb, but the lamb roast was a little too expensive. So maybe in the future. But for now, this beef cut did just fine. Mashallah, tabarakallah.